den ligger kvar fram till klockan 17 i eftermiddag.
This is the worst blizzard I have seen in a long time. And it's not over yet. Tonight it's going to get even more intense. I was just outside plowing with the tractor, and there was a few moments I felt that I'm losing control of the tractor, because underneath there is ice, because we've had rain and then it's been melting and freezing and melting and freezing, so there's a sheet of ice underneath, and then the snow on top right now. There's a bus that's stuck blocking the whole road into the village, so have a look. So I don't know if it's luck or maybe a little bit of foresight, but I drove 2 straw bales to the steers, or to the cattle, and they have a nice big bale of silage right here, and they have food in there, so they're all set for tonight.
Ja, det där kommer ju inte gå.
Wow, där gick backspegeln. Stuck. He is stuck. So now the guy who drives and puts gravel on the road, he's in the ditch, and the bus is in the ditch. So what they've done is that he has gone up past this guy who's stuck, and he's reversed down the hill a few times. The yellow thing behind is filled with gravel, so now he's reversing and spreading the gravel all over the road. So yeah, interesting night, to say the least. was one heck of a storm, I do say. It's been a long time since we had that kind of a blizzard blow in, and I'm grateful that the moments are far in between, because it takes a lot of energy maintaining everything, especially since it's so continuous. The snow it never stops, and you don't want the snow to pile up. It becomes too heavy and too thick. So yeah, but we did it. We did it. Some more snow tomorrow, but just a little bit, barely nothing, and then some plus degrees towards the weekend. So yeah, I can maybe relax now a few days. Feels like vacation. Yeah, it's all part of the farming life. Yep, I feel my energy is coming back now. I know I said it a few weeks ago that was the last week of winter, but I really hope this was it, the last week of winter. Ready to move into the new season. Yes, get sowing, get harvesting, get animals grazing, all of the good stuff. Summer, here we come.
Skål.